2 years ago, I built custom Pavo Pico just for fun. I flew it, I enjoyed it for a few days, everything was perfect. Then one day, my drone was sitting on my working bench covered with this paper sheet. I thought, let me just take off from here real quick. I plugged in the battery, armed it, and gave it hard throttle. But that paper sheet got stuck right into my prop. My ESC MOSFET got completely toasted. I took it to my friend who does drone experiment and repairs. He replaced the MOSFET and it worked. But when I flew it days later, something was wrong. I couldn't even flip the drone. It was so underpowered, so weak. I had no idea what happened. Then I thought, let me check the black box data. What I found was not what I expected. And now if you don't know what black box is, it's basically a flight data recorder inside your flight controller. It records everything: motor RPM, gyro data, accelerometer, PID corrections, every sensor on your drone, like on airplane. When something was wrong, black box shows you exactly what happened. So here's what I did. I connected my drone to Betaflight, went to the black box tab, I selected the data I wanted to record. Accelerometer, motor output, gyro data, basically everything that tells me what drone was doing. I clicked save, then I flew it. Brought it back, connected to Betaflight again, exported the black box file, and opened the black box analyzer in my browser. I uploaded the log file, and that's when I saw it. The data came up in the graph. 4 lines, one for each motor. M1, M2, M3 and M4. They should all be sliced the same, right? But look here, M2 is struggling. That's it, that's the problem. Because M2 is giving low RPM, the other 3 motors have to reduce power to balance it. So all motors are running at less power. It's like pushing a car with handbrake on. That's why my drone felt so underpowered, I couldn't even flip it. So here's what you can do. If your drone feels weird, just check the black box. Download the log file, open the analyzer, look at the data. You will find what's wrong without guessing. Blackbox shows you the truth every time. That's how I found my motor problem using Blackbox. Have you find something in yours? Drop a comment and tell me. And if this helped you, subscribe. See you in the next one.